We'll start with a new project. So file, new project, C#. We will pick console application. Everybody see the console application? And notice all the keywords are lowercase, and they are the one in the blue color. Namespace, class, static, void, string, they're all lowercase. Okay? The examples that I showed you in the PowerPoint are the same examples that I want to do here. So I want to declare two variables. Integer num1 equals to a value of 10, num2 equals to a value of 19. That's exactly what we saw in the pseudocode. So I have two variables, num1 and num2, set to the values of 10 and 19. Now comparing the two by using an if condition, if the first variable's value is greater than the second variable's value, then do this, which is console.writeLine num1 is greater than num2. And now to hold the screen, we're using console.read. Simply run the code. The function key F5 will let you run the code. And you will see that there is no output. Why do we have no output? Because the condition is false. And there is no other output but that one output from line 15. Since that condition is not met, therefore an output was generated. What can I do to make that condition on line 14 true? Change the value of num1 to a value that is greater than 19, or change the value of num2 to a value less than 10, right? Either way. Okay. Try that. Make either of the two changes, either increase one number's value or decrease the other ones, and run it again.